Intro to Hydrology by Fink Sapling. First, we'll go over a definition. Hydro means water and sphere means surrounding. The definition is everywhere on Earth where water surrounds. Let's go over percentages and salinity. Water is 70% and land is 30%. The water on Earth is also divided into saltwater and freshwater. Saltwater is 97% and freshwater is 3%. The difference between the two types of water is the levels of salinity. Salinity is the amount of dissolved salt a water body has. Salinity comes from sediment from runoff and minerals from underwater volcanoes. Gases and freshwater. The ocean has many minerals and have gases that dissolve from the atmosphere. Nitrogen, which is an element, oxygen, which is an element, and carbon dioxide, which is a compound, are examples of gases found in the ocean. The gases dissolved in the ocean are mixtures. Earth's freshwater is 2.3% polar ice caps, 0.5% underground, and 0.2% in rivers and lakes. Less than 1% is readily available. Freshwater filters the land and atmosphere. It eventually goes in the ocean. Let's go over some river definitions. A watershed is an area of land that drains water into larger bodies of water. Tributaries are small streams that flow into larger streams or bodies of water. Headwaters are where the river begins, and a mouth is the end of the river. Weathering versus erosion. Weathering causes rocks to break down. Erosion is where water transports sediments to another place. Deposition is where rocks are dropped after the erosion process. Over time, this creates new land. 3 factors of stream erosion. There's discharge, which is the amount of water a river or stream carries. Gradient, which is the measure of change of elevation over a certain distance. And load, the material carried by a stream. A floodplain is the area along a river that forms when sediments are deposited after flooding. So now we have a little chart that's the water cycle versus salinity in the ocean. On the left side we have increases salinity, and on the right side which decreases it. On the left side for increase we have evaporation and ocean water freezing. On the right side for decrease we have melting ice and precipitation. Evaporation increases salt in the ocean is because when water and gases move up into the ocean, salt becomes higher, which creates more salinity. When ocean water freezes, it also creates an increase in salinity because the salts are pushed down to the ocean, causing that area to have higher salinity. Melting ice decreases salinity because when ice melts, it releases water, right? And whenever there's more water, the percentage of water goes up and the percentage of salinity goes down. Precipitation also decreases salinity because when precipitation, it causes there to be a higher percentage of water versus a lower percentage of salts. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. By Fink Sapling.